Let's see. What up? What up? We good. We good. All right. My bad about that, y'all. I don't know what the hell was going on, but my internet, something. I have to reset my PC. It was tripping. Literally tripping. Let's see. All right, man. What's up? Welcome back. Another session. It's been lit. I know for all of the team, my bad, y'all in the community chat room. I've been a little busy. I guess for the last 10 hours, but some of these updates I might not have given y'all, but I gave some other people the updates. For example, GU, we actually took a buy on GU. I'm not even sure if I let y'all know that. I know I did let y'all know about Euro USD in the chat room, so y'all were aware that Euro USD could turn around on us, and it actually did. So we were looking at it on the 1 hour time frame, literally right here. I have to update all of this. But what we were looking for was, this is so annoying. Let me pull up the chart because I don't even want to do it that way. So let me pull up the chart that I already had marked so I can show y'all what I was actually looking at because I don't even feel like recharting it. Where is it? Euro USD. So this is what we were looking at on Euro USD. So this is the updated setup that I gave to y'all in the chat room. We were looking for another push towards the upside. So if y'all were able to grab that, man, another 47 pips up. We took this on a sell down, and then I pretty much let everybody know to close out all positions. And then we started to focus on that buy up. Main reason that we closed out those positions, I have to pull all my charts back up because I just cut my computer back on. Is because the DXY started to respect the area that we were looking at. So this was one of the main key catalysts for us as far as if, what's the next move as far as on the dollar. So DXY respected the area and ended up dropping back down. So it does look like we're going to start to form the ABCD pattern that I've been kind of watching for behind the scenes, kind of sort of say. We have just finished that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm expecting ABC to kind of form in here. Where can C form? C can take this low and form here to take off to the upside, or it can come a little bit shorter, which I would say would be deeper in. Let me clear this up. Hope y'all having a great trading week, man. We have been starting off with a bang so far. Been a great week. Everything that I put out for y'all besides USD CAD has hit profit. So multiple trades, literally back and forth on multiple trades. USD CAD did take us out for about, I think it was about 25 pips. The original stop loss was 15, but we extended it 10. But as that DXY said, that was another update I wasn't able to get out to everybody. But as the DXY ended up respecting this area, so most of y'all, my students who know, the DXY is, USD CAD, USD CHF, they tend to follow, right? So if this is expected to drop, that influence was going to have, some type of reaction on USD CAD. So saw it coming. I don't think C might not come all the way down here. We could see C here, or we could see C here. So that's what I want y'all to watch for next on the DXY. So for now, we'll look for continuation. It will take this low, and it will extend some past this low. So it just depends on where C is going to form. But for now, it is planning to take this low. We won't see much of a pullback. It's not going to come all the way back up here. If anything, we'll get a slight correction and then a continuation down, but nothing crazy towards the upside. This high is established because this is now the B. So it's already moved a decent way away from B. So we're pretty much about to arrive for C. So that is the DXY. In return, what that is going to do is it's going to continue Euro USD to the upside. So let me put the update on this side as well, since I have it over here on a different browser. Actually, I'll just do this behind the scene and we'll just go off of this for now. Cool. So Euro USD, let me update the rest. I literally still have the sale information on here from the original sale. Okay. Let me take this off. Take this off. Adjust this. Cool. So this is what I am looking at on Euro USD for potentially the next reaction zone. I still don't want to see price go too crazy towards the upside. We could see this level tested as well. Chances are very slim. Chances are very slim. For now, I'm kind of just chilling on Euro USD, to be honest with y'all. But I do see it arriving to this area. So we were able to sell it down. We were able to buy it back up. I'll wait till more time, probably tomorrow, probably London session or New York session, to kind of see what's going the next move. I need a little bit more price on this. So this level is real questionable for me, to be honest with you. Higher time frame wise, I would rather see this level tested more than this one. So this is really where I'm going to probably wait for my trade. So just watch this level. This is probably going to be a sweet spot. This is too close. So let's not even look for this level, y'all. To be honest with you, let's not look for that. Okay, so we'll actually target this level here. If we miss it, we just miss it. But I'd rather us go for a more premium level than to try to go for, not that good of a level. Also, if y'all are new to the streams, make sure y'all are following us on TradingView. That way you don't miss out on any future streams or any trade setup that I do put out for y'all. As well as if you scroll down on your screen, you'll see the link to our website. We also have our free Telegram chat room community, pretty much where I post most of these updates. So, for example, Euro USD, you guys got the update to look for a potential long on Euro USD. So that was 47 pips that was pushed out to y'all in the chat room. I only gave y'all, let's just go over the chat room for this week, just so y'all can kind of get an idea of what's really going on in the chat room. When did this week start? On Tuesday, so we pretty much got it going on pretty much about the 10th, 11-ish. So first thing that we were looking for this week was USD CAD. So that one originally, we already know about that one. We took a loss on that one. So around 15, 25 pips, depending on where you were watching from. So the only people that extended it was the actual VIP team. All of the public community, you guys had the original 15 pip stop loss. So USD CAD, we took a loss there. Next trade up was Euro USD for the sell down. We sold Euro USD down. We wicked in around 754. So pretty much here. We sold it down here for 48 pip drop. So 15 pip loss, 25 pip loss, 48 pip win there on the drop. We also bought this back up. I'm just talking about what's in the chat room alone. So 3 trades potentially in the chat room so far. What else did I give y'all? So the buy up is pretty much where it is right now. So literally the buy up's the same 48 pips. So about so far almost 100 pips on Euro USD. What else did I put out in here for y'all? I know I gave y'all gold a while back. I think that was like towards the end of last week. That has dropped significantly. GU, no, that was just an update there. What else? Let me see. So it looks like y'all just got Euro USD, USD CAD, and GU updates so far in the chat room. Now, also in the chat room is a link to these streams. So in these streams, I go over pretty much all of these pairs. So far, y'all were able to at least make, 80 pips by being in the chat room this week on the positive side. So I'm still profitable, right? So that's what it's all about at the end of the day, as long as you're able to make some profit. So as long as the chat room remains profitable, that's my only concern, is making sure y'all make money. So make sure y'all join up on the chat room. It's literally free. I'm literally trying to help y'all grow y'all's accounts for free. So join the chat room. What else are we on? Okay, you also have my email down below, the broker that I use down below, our YouTube down below, our Facebook, and our Instagram. All of that information is down below. Okay, cool. So y'all have the update on Euro USD. I had to take a picture before I restarted my computer so I could see what our charts I had up. So let me bring everything back up. So USD CAD, let's go ahead and look at this to see what's going on. I'm still bullish on this. I'm still bullish, but like I told y'all from the original stream and just the updates, there's two areas on this one. If it did break this one, we could see price action respecting this area. So seeing how I'm looking for that one more push on the DXY towards the downside, this is a very premium area for us to look for that potential C extension to happen on the DXY. So here, and if that C extension is to happen, then we could start and continue. DXY long term is a bull, right? It's long term bullish. This is not going to be a deep retracement, too deep, I don't expect, especially not down here. We should continue up. The most I expect is just a retracement back into the fourth wave. So after this C wave is formed, we should continue back into a new 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave and making new highs. So that's what I'm looking for here. If that is to happen, then USD CAD could respect this area where it is right now and drop down one more time and head towards the upside. So something to watch, just because the area is real premium. All right, cool. Literally messed up my template. Cool. All right, so that's what we'll look for on USD CAD. I personally probably won't be taking this. I'll let y'all know if I do, though. If I do hop in, I'll let y'all know. I prefer to see a reaction off of this zone first. This zone, it must be a very impulsive reaction. So it needs to be something that lets us know, okay, the bulls are wanting to enter the market. So see how right here we got this impulse. We need something like this because this is where the buyers will enter the market. So it needs to be very clear that they have entered the market. Cool. That's USD CAD. What else do we have on the lineup? We had DXY, which we've already went over. What else? Gold. So gold, this is pretty much what we've been going over throughout the stream. So I gave y'all an update, even when the stream was here. I gave y'all an update on gold. So originally, at the beginning of the week, we were looking for an impulse and then a correction and then another impulse down. The correction went a lot deeper and actually went to just take another high. Our invalidation was around this level, so it barely missed invalidation. Great. And it continued down. So gave y'all the update on gold throughout the way. So if y'all sold it here, you could have, the target was here, the first target, secondary target down here. First target, you would have made at least 120 pips. If you sold it from the top on the secondary update, which was around here, then you could have made potentially 170 pips. Either way, you could have made some money off of gold. So cheers to that. We broke down exactly what I was looking for. So I'll let y'all know this is the structure. So we're looking for this impulse, just for price action to play this corrective structure, and then another impulse down. So the same example right here, it ended up playing out for us perfectly. So beautiful, beautiful trade on gold. What else did we need updates on? I've having a great trading week, man. Shit has been getting crazy. These entries, y'all, these entries are getting crazy. These entries are getting crazy. Let's see. We also had NZD USD. So this one I'm kind of watching on the side. I want to see if price action can get down here to this premium level. If so, then I'll look to take that long. Probably won't get there if it does respect this and we see the DXY, what will get that there is when we get this C leg and it pushes up. So that's when this will get here and then we'll potentially be able to have an opportunity. But it depends. I'll keep y'all updated on this one. For now, there's no trade on it. Just wait for my update. So did we go over? So it's NU. Did we go over GU already? So let me go over GU with y'all. So this is the active trade that we're in right now. So GU. This is a really nice trade opportunity right now for y'all. Let me get everything on. I don't know why my charts keep resetting themselves. I know I got a lot on here right now, but it should not be resetting. Okay. So I was looking at a reversal on GU literally right here around 1.24700. Give me 1 second. Let me show you. So, quick update for most of y'all. I already let my personal team know. For those of y'all that don't know, I am now a trader for TradeStar as well. So you will see my content via TradeStar as well as FXK. So just in case you guys would want to, I can't even find it. I'm not gonna hold y'all up. But GU, I'm looking for a movement on GU towards the upside, just to take this high. So that is pretty much the trade. It's just to take this high for a sweep, and then from there, I'll look for a price action to see what happens. I do like this level here for a reaction. So if we do get a reaction here, we could see price action leading back down. So I'll watch that level for a reaction. But for now, I am expecting further upside on GU. I don't want to see any more new lows. So this should be established here, and we should continue up. So this would be your invalidation. And I would say your final target would be here. And your entry can be now. I'm already in this. I have multiple entries as well. So original entry is down here, and I actually just entered a secondary entry down. I'm sorry, here at the top as well. So my secondary entry is actually a little bit above where price is, but you guys will get a little bit of a better entry. So that's what I'm looking for on GU, further upside. I did post this on our Trading View as well. So again, the benefit of following us on Trading View, you'll be able to see these updates and be able to catch some of these opportunities to make y'all some money. So there is GU. I'll keep y'all updated on GU in the chat room. Link is down below, so make sure y'all are following. Let me see, what else did we have? So we went over GU. I do have AU to show y'all, and I think that is it. So let me pull AU back up. Again, my bad, y'all. I had to reset my computer, so a lot of this stuff is literally I'm just pulling everything back up. Okay, so AU, I did show y'all pretty much AU. We sold this down. We were looking for another push up, but I think we didn't get it. And then we got the continuation down. Okay, so in this area, I let y'all know we were going to look for a reaction sometime soon. So the reaction was either going to be here or it was going to be down here. So one of the two. So we actually ended up getting it at the first one. So that's great. One thing y'all will know about following me, and most of the students already know, my directional bias is insane. There's just the direction of where I think the market is going to go is it's completely insane. The accuracy on that is great. I'm speechless. Like, I'm so serious. So that's great. Recently, over the last, I would say 30 days, I've been perfecting my entries, and the entries over the last 30 days. Like, if you've been following us, everybody knows who's been following us. Y'all know, y'all seen these entries over the last 30 days. They haven't been getting crazy. So that is beautiful. Entries getting great. Directional bias was already there. So now that my entries are getting on point, we're about to tear these markets up, and we have been tearing these markets up left to right. So beautiful, beautiful progress, y'all. Love it when things start to add up, right? So respect down here. More than likely, we're about to go into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 phase on USD. So we could be looking at something like this. As we head towards the upside, but I am still bullish on this. We could see a deeper correction, or we could even double bottom before we head up to also change the trend. So then it would start off as this being that starter level, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one of those two options could happen. Just be mindful. But the chances of it making a double bottom, maybe 20%. The chances of it just making another push down on the correction, that's where we're in like our 80% mark, and then that push up, or it could already have made that, and it could just be ready to continue up from here. So something for y'all to watch on USD, but overall bullish on USD. So make sure y'all are just mainly looking for buying opportunities. All right, man. So that's it. That's all I have for y'all right now. I'm gonna give y'all more updates again tomorrow in the morning, New York sesh. When I let price action build a little bit more, I need to see what the DXY is going to do once it gets around this range. So are we going to break, or continue down here, or are we going to respect and start to continue that upside? So that's the next thing I'm watching. So as of right now, we do have further downside on the DXY. So if you know what to do with that, cheers. Other than that, man, appreciate y'all for tuning in, and I will see y'all all on the next stream. Peace.